Okay, I'm going to set the frequency to a new value using the map function. The first argument or input for the map function should be the starting value. I'm going to use the light sensor reading. Next comes the possible range for the starting value, which is 0 to 1023. And last is the ending range. I'm going to use 0 to 2000. Don't forget to put a comma between each argument or input into the map function. I'm going to upload this code and check what it does. My theremin is still working, and it sounds a little higher in pitch. Great. But I see a way to improve it. Remember how earlier on I found the ambient light reading, or the light sensor reading I get when I leave the light sensor alone? Well, that's the highest reading I expect to get, unless I shine extra light at my light sensor. So even though the light sensor reading could theoretically be as high as 1023, I expect that it probably won't get any higher than the ambient reading. So instead of using 1023 as the highest value in the starting range, I should actually use the ambient light reading. I'm going to create a variable called ambient light. And I'm going to use that variable as the upper end of the starting range in my map function. I'm going to set this variable equal to the light sensor reading inside the setup function. You know how we usually write our code inside of the loop function, because usually we want it to repeat over and over and over again? Well, I only want to set the ambient light reading once. By putting code inside the setup function, you tell Arduino to only run that code once when it turns on or resets. Okay, let's try uploading this code and seeing what it does. Whoa, it gets super high-pitched. I'm going to unplug it for now. See if you can fix this code so that the sound isn't quite so high-pitched. Alright, ready? Here's what I did. I changed the ending range of the map function to 0 to 800. That way the frequency will never be higher than 800. Once I uploaded that code, it sounded a lot better. Phew! So we found a pleasant range of frequencies that we can use. But what's the maximum frequency that we can actually hear? Well, we'll explore that in the next video.